Just a quick look at the new condenser. Yes, I bought a TYC condenser from Mercado, and as you can see, it is made in Taiwan. For some reason, I thought it was China, but it is not. And this is what the box looks like. In case you never seen a condenser, it's just like a radiator, if you will, at least the box and packaging. So far, it looks like it's been packed pretty well. Um, got a minor thing here, but hopefully the inside is pretty good. So let me open it up and we'll see what we got. So far it's just wrapped around the bubble wrap here, and then looks like it's just foam. Let me get this out. So you can see the slight bent the other way. I don't know how clear that's gonna be, but see it's going towards the left. Now this thing should be straight. I think for the most part it doesn't seem like it'll be a problem. That's just the way it was made, but yeah, that's kind of a bummer. So right here I can see the slight uh, fin dented there. Nothing, just lightly. Nothing compared to the dents the other one has in the car. So other than that, I guess it's just a matter of installing it and making sure that it doesn't have a leak. And well, that's the TYC condenser, as you can see. So just went ahead and ordered this because I decided to just go ahead and change the one that's in there because it's been there for a long time and there's a lot of debris on it, like a little sand pebbles and stuff. I mean, it's got a lot, and yeah, it's got a couple of dings on the top which you can't really see, so might as well just get rid of that and put a new one on it and be done with it, at least for this. So we'll see how it goes.